Tutorial 2. Assemblies and Projects. In this second tutorial, we will present some more of the key concepts of VIGO6. Further, you will learn how to use your component and locate it in hardware. Step 1. Create an assembly. In VIGO6, an assembly is a group of components, other assemblies. Components and assemblies in the group are instances within the group. The simple explanation of an instance are: a component type is describing its variables with the name and the data type. When a component is included in an assembly, it is a component instance. All variables in the component instances will get their own physical memory. An assembly can also include other assemblies. All component instances in all included assemblies get their own physical memory. The first step is to create an assembly for the temperature regulator. Select Create New Type on the main button menu and select Assembly. Rename to Temperature Regulator Simple Assembly. Add and set up the control component. Right-click to add an instance of your control component, Temperature Regulator Simple, to your assembly. Note that variables are no longer visible and that you can only see external methods. You can still see the instance constant, the registers and the connectors. Set the instance constant regulating interval to 2 seconds. Add temperature input. Right-click to add an instance of temperature input transmitter interface PD2855. Temperature input 4 to 20 mA. Rename to temperature input. Add DC output. Right-click to add an instance of the output interface PD2823 Digital 1A DC output. Rename to DC output. Connect the components. Connectors, defined in a component type, are to a type. These connectors must be connected to instances, and this is done in an assembly. Now, find the control component instance and right-click on the temperature connector and connect it to the just added temperature input transmitter interface. Connect output in the same way to DC output. Note that the editor only lets you make a connection to a component of the type you have specified.